Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 8, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, you'll want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings, or not settings, but home screen, I guess will work for this, so yeah, let's just stick with it. So once you have it open and visible, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. And let's just try it again. Once you hold it for about a second, it gives you this pop-up right here, which disappears after a second. So that is just to show you that you have just captured a screenshot. Now, as you've seen on the pop-up, we could edit, share, or delete this image. And additionally, once it disappears, you can then find the image itself in the gallery. Now, it will be visible under Photos. And also, if you go into Albums, it should create a screenshot album, as you can see right here. And this album will contain only screenshots. So from here we can view the screenshot that we have created. So there we go. That is how you would capture a screenshot on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.